today. Just to let you know, I'm a fair weather biker. One, I don't want to get wet and come off the bike, and two, I don't want the bike getting wet. So just out for a little drive, keep the bike running, ticking over. Didn't want the battery to go dead on me. I was actually quite surprised that it started first time, to be fair. It's quite a bonus. So sat up for 2.5 months. So done well, made up. Like I said, I've only done my CBT, so still a learner. Still learning the ropes. I did have a Aprilia RS 125 scooter back in 2000 when I was 21, I think it was. I used that for commuting back into work, all weathers. Really enjoyed that. So I had a midlife crisis and I thought I'll get myself a bike. So here we are. Bit of sun's out, bike's out. Just to say, I got myself these little mirrors and end bar mirrors. Oh my god, what a game changer. Absolutely love them. There's none of this moving my arms, my elbows to see what's behind me. It's all there. Great stuff. Don't know if you can pick that up on the camera in my rear view, but they're impressive. Again, this is the first time I've had my camera on and my mic, so it could be wind noise, it could be me heavy breathing, so it's only trial and error. If I go home and this video's turned out bad, then so be it. I'll do some settings and we'll go again, just like that. So I don't know where I'm going. I'm just going to let the front wheel follow the back, or the back wheel follow the front, whichever one it is. I think it's the back wheel follow the front, to be fair. But yeah, I'm enjoying it so far. I've got it's a Benelli BN 125. I bought it brand new in June. So far so good. I had no problems with it. I know I've only done 150 mile, but I've had no problems. It's been fine. And long may it continue. See, I'm trying to get it up to 300 miles so I can go and get its first service done, and then if I need to pack it away for the winter, I can do knowing it's had its service. But that's the plan, keeping to the speed limit. So just making sure people behind me want to do the same. So all good. Through this red light because I don't want to wait here. Don't want to be sat in this hot weather in the sun burning. Oh, it's warm. I'll probably prefer riding around in the winter, providing it's not raining. It's a lot cooler. Fucking gears, they always do that to me. Even with my big clumpy feet on. Never wants to change up sometimes. I think again, it's a learning curve. Me not trying to do things too quick. Whoa, we're bouncy! We're bouncing around! Ooh. Bouncy, bouncy! Whoa, I'll lay off this a bit. It's a bit fucking bouncy! Chopping me about a bit! Bloody hell. What am I paying £23 a year tax for on this bike? Although my road tax doesn't pay for roads to be fixed, but I'll still have a little shout about it. Stay there, thank you. Someone paying attention. Better get myself over. Cancelled indicators promptly, as you do. See, this speed confused me on here as well, because I'm told on a bike that the speed limit is not accurate. So I'm popping along at 40 and I'm probably doing 35 and kind of annoying everyone. But you never know, you never know, you never know. Whoop. Down my gears. Give myself up here. Oh my god. Oh, I love that when that happens. I love it when the plan comes together. No waiting round. Easy, easy, easy. There we go. Easy peasy. Hey, third gear straight away. Whoop whoop. Oop, that was a bit harsh into second. Oh, got a bit fast, but there's a man behind. He wants to race. Oh, he doesn't want to wait about. Oh, he's going to have to, because I'm not breaking the law. Oh no. Oh no. Warm the tyres, warm the tyres, whoop, whoop, warm the tyres. Oh, this is fun. I just need biker friends. I'd like to say I've got no biker friends, but I've got no friends, bikes or no bikes. So I need a biker friend. Anyone wants a biker friend, let us know. Oh, 30 miles per hour here. Oh, I just got a little nod, little wave. Wonder if he's got a bike and he wants to be my friend. I should go back. Hey, biker friend! No, I'm sure he's just being friendly and likes my little 125 petrol lawnmower. I need to have a fiddle with that mirror. It's not quite right. There we go. Beautiful. Joys of a bike is I just don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I've been, but it's happy all the same. Lovely jubbly, just tooting along. Lovely jubbly, lovely jubbly. So yeah, in case you haven't already noticed, I'm in Runcorn. So I've come up through Daresbury, along Preston Brook, and now I'm just deciding where to go. I might go to Frodsham Helsby way. Yeah, let's go that direction way. See what delight's waiting there for me. Whoop, 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 whoop. We've got to stop. Whoop, whoop. I still wish though I'd got a scooter, not for the look, but for no gears. Just the gears are a bit, I mean, I'm going round roundabouts, can't get it in neutral when I want, go round a roundabout and it just goes into neutral because my big clumpy foot knocks it into neutral and nearly throws me off like bloody Donkey Kongy thingy, that horse that gets flipped. Yeah, I don't know what his name is, you can tell me in the comments. Buckaroo it is, that's what it is, it's Buckaroo. Oh, a bit of national speed, bum bum, a little bunny then. National speed limit for a minute. Boom boom. Hey, a little lawnmower through a tunnel, whoop whoop. Oh bloody hell, let's just gear us down, let us just be sensible. There's no rush, Rome wasn't built in a day. Ooh, get some air in my visor. Not sure if that's going to be windy now, but I have a DJI Mic 2 with my little bunny rabbit's tail on the end, so hopefully that will stop this wind noise. And if it doesn't, I'll put 2 bunny rabbit's tails on the end of it. No bunny rabbits were harmed in the making of my Mic 2, by the way, just want to get that out there. So, up potholes! More potholes! Dodge the potholes! Whoop whoop! You following me? Asda, choo-choo, every little helps. Was that Tesco? I have no idea. Up bit wind on my face, visor down. I don't want bugs in my eyes. Right, stay. Blue car, stay. Stay. Thank you. I love it when they stay and they wait for me. It means they've seen me little bike. And we can't knock him off his little bike. Can we? No, that wouldn't be clever. Wouldn't be very friendly either, to be fair. Do you know what, the world's come to a bit of a dodgy place, isn't it? Just think, when I was a kid I used to stick a can of Coke in my back wheel on my BMX and make my motorbike noise. What are kids got to do in another 20-30 years? Kids are born and there's no motorbike noise, there's nothing. They're just going to have to go along and pretend like woo, woo, whatever noise a lucky motorbike makes. But hey ho, that's not for me to worry about, is it? Hello little red car. Oh, it's warm. This transporter's still behind me. He's followed me forever. Beep beep. Pedal, pedal. There we go again on that third. I just can't seem to get it. Clickety click. Hello doggy walker. He's doing a bit of dogging. A bit of dogging in Frodsham this time of the day. Wait. Wait. Thank you. Little biker. Little biker getting himself a sausage butty. Oh, I can't have sausage butties anymore with my little ticker. Got to look after it now. Rabbit food, come on. There's a river weaver, there and there. Lovely jubbly. Don't know where I'm going, I don't know where I've been. I better not sing, I might get copyright. Oh, I don't want to be in 5th gear. Up a hill, 5th gear up a hill. Oh, I tell you what, it's warm today. I'm not complaining, I'm just making an observation. Petrol, £1.35. Do I need it? No, I've got plenty of bars. put petrol in this when I bought it, £15, and it's just going forever. Bikers! I think I'm like one of them people, he's on a 125, I'm not waving at him, I'm not giving him the nod. Who does he think he is on his petrol lawnmower? How very rude, I think, very rude. Anyway, where do we go? Do we go left up Fluin Lane, or do I carry on? I'm gonna carry on, I think. Stay there. Thank you, little black car. Oh, butterfly. Ooh, right. Oh, this is nice, isn't it? It's very exciting. Oh, I've got my little phone on me. I can't even think what it's called. Oh no, can't even give them a plug. Again, what's it called? Quad lock. That's what it is. It's a quad lock. Got myself a quad lock for my phone. Okay, cost me 79 Great British pounds, but I think it's worth it. Gonna do a bit of filtering here, but you know, I'll be good. I don't mind waiting. As long as no one comes and bashes me up my bum, that'll be alright. Biker friend. Everywhere I look there's cake shops and everything, and I can't have them. Devonshire Bakery. Bear's Paw. Sure you've all been in the Bear's Paw. Yep, I have. Once or twice, as I'm not a drinker. So busy, and we're off. Whoop, that was a bit unsteady. Oh, you never know where they're going to go. You've just got to check and check and check. And wait about. Biker friends! Oh, traffic warden. No. Oh, we do like to run around on the motorbike. Hey, take your dog at the shop with you. Poor dog. Traffic wardens again, stealing a living. Low bridge, better duck. I think I cleared it. Stay there. So thank you. Someone's watching what they're doing. It's always good to see. So anyway, what are you all up to? I shouldn't say that because you'll be doing something different then than what you're doing now. But what you're doing now, you could tell me in the comments. If you've got a bike and you want to have a little bike meet up, obviously it's got to be a 125 so I can keep up with you. Doesn't have to be, as long as you don't mind driving slow. I'll tell you what, that junction was a bit chaotic then, they were everywhere. Hello biker, pedal. Biker, oh he nodded. I got my first nod on my 125. Hey! Love a little nod. Love a little nod, I do. I don't know how to do a nod like that or a nod like that. Again, let me know in the comments! Woohoo! I'm sorry if I'm shouting, I'm just a bit excited, that's all. Just a bit excited. Overly, I think. So I've got my little dark visor on. I'll get off my bike in a bit and I'll give it a little tour of my bike. I just want to find somewhere that's a little bit safe for me, so I'm not to be robbed and someone steal my bike and my cameras and my mics and everything. That wouldn't be good. Oh, camera.